Tell me on TikTok?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nice.
I love TikTok.
Oh, nice. Gotta figure out which key this is. HY 14 maybe? Probably 17. Most of these cars are HY15, but it's not 17. All right, found the key. Key blank. Let's go. HY17. We're gonna go T. Codes. We're gonna cut it. Okay, let's flip it. Key works. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. I'll give you a second one, okay?
Okay, buddy.
I'll give you dos.
Dos?
Yeah, try it. Make sure it turns. The battery? Ah.
Standard.
Yeah. Manual. Okay, I'm gonna cut you another one, okay? You have dollar cash?
Cash, car?
Cash is good.
No worry.
Yeah, no worry.
Car, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wow, you make tacos.
Taco, yeah.
Nice. Where?
Work, yeah.
Where, I'm saying? In
Yeah.
Phoenix or where?
43.
Yeah.
I've been Thomas.
40, okay, if you guys want some good tacos, check them out.
Taco, buddy. Taco, carnal.
43rd and Thomas.